You keep failing your daily goals, even after trying harder routines, planners, and motivation hacks. What if your failures were not personal, but programmed into your daily system? In this video, I'll share 5 science-backed, psychology-driven truths that quietly control your behavior and transform how you think, act, and finally succeed consistently. I discovered this idea while studying why some people stay consistent without motivation, while others constantly restart their lives every Monday. Research from behavioral psychology and neuroscience shows something shocking. Your daily results are not driven by effort alone, but by invisible systems shaping your choices before you even realize it. The problem is, most people keep blaming laziness or lack of discipline, when the real issue is hidden structure. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how your daily system is working against you, and how to flip it in your favor. Let's dive in. Most people think failure comes from lack of willpower, but your environment is actually making decisions for you all day long. Your environment includes everything around you: your room, your phone, your apps, even the people you spend time with. These things silently push your behavior in certain directions without asking permission. Research from Stanford's Behavior Lab shows that 40% of daily actions are habit-driven and triggered by environment, not conscious choice. Your brain saves energy by reacting instead of thinking. That means whatever is easiest to do in your surroundings becomes your default behavior. Your brain is efficient. It prioritizes what is easy and available. If junk food is visible, you'll eat it. If your phone is near, you'll check it. It's automatic. First, redesign your space. Make good habits visible and bad habits harder to access. Second, remove triggers. Put distractions out of reach. Third, create success zones, like a clean desk for focused work. For example, instead of keeping your phone on your desk, leave it in another room while working. But that's not all. This next one is crucial, because it explains why you start strong but collapse later in the day. Decision fatigue means your brain has a limited number of quality decisions per day. Every choice, what to wear, what to eat, when to start, uses mental energy. Studies from Columbia University found that judges make worse decisions later in the day simply because mental energy decreases over time. Your brain starts choosing the easiest option, not the best one. Your prefrontal cortex gets tired, and your brain switches to autopilot mode. That's when procrastination wins. First, reduce daily choices. Create routines. Second, automate simple decisions like meals or outfits. Third, do important tasks early in the day when your brain is fresh. For example, instead of deciding when to work out, schedule it at the same time daily. Now, you might be thinking, is it really that simple? Wait, there's more to this. Most people don't know this, but your motivation system is being rewired every single day. Dopamine traps are instant reward systems like social media, gaming, and short videos that give your brain quick pleasure with zero effort. Neuroscience research shows dopamine spikes when you expect reward, not when you receive it. Apps are designed to trigger this loop repeatedly, making real-life tasks feel boring in comparison. Your brain starts preferring instant rewards over delayed success. Studying or working feels slow, while scrolling feels easy. First, limit high dopamine activities during work hours. Second, delay entertainment until tasks are complete. Third, reset your reward system by doing hard things first. For example, don't open social media before finishing your most important task. But wait, there's more to this. This one is deeper and slightly uncomfortable. Your identity script is the story you repeatedly tell yourself about who you are. And your brain tries to stay consistent with that story. Cognitive psychology shows humans act in alignment with self-image to avoid internal conflict. If you believe I am lazy, your brain will unconsciously choose lazy actions to match that identity. Identity is stronger than motivation. Motivation fades, but identity controls long-term behavior. First, catch negative identity statements like I can't focus. Second, Replace them with process identity, like I am becoming someone who focuses daily. Third, act slightly above your current identity every day. For example, instead of saying I'm not disciplined, say I'm building discipline through small actions. Now let's go further. This final system ties everything together. Time fragmentation means your attention is split into small chunks across many tasks, apps, and interruptions. Research in productivity shows that switching tasks reduces efficiency by up to 40%. Every interruption resets your focus cycle. Your brain works best in deep focus blocks, but modern habits constantly break that flow. First, group similar tasks together. Second, use time blocks. Work without switching for at least 25 to 50 minutes. Third, remove interruptions during focus time. For example, instead of checking messages every few minutes, set specific times to respond. All 5 systems are connected. Your environment, decisions, dopamine, identity, and time all interact to shape your daily outcome. Let's quickly review what we covered today. Number 1. Environment controls your actions. Number 2. Decision fatigue drains willpower. Number 3. Dopamine traps steal motivation. Number 4. Identity scripts shape behavior. Number 5. Time fragmentation kills focus. All 5 systems shown as gears locking stick figure in cycle. Your life is not broken. You're just running a system that was never designed for success. And that system can be redesigned. You already have everything you need to change direction. The only difference between where you are now and where you want to be is the system you choose to build. Don't wait until another week disappears in distraction and regret. Start with just one change today. Fix your environment or remove one major distraction. That alone can shift everything. If you found this helpful, hit the like button so this message reaches more people stuck in the same cycle. Subscribe for more self-improvement breakdowns like this. Drop a comment telling me which system is controlling you the most right now. And if you want to go deeper into habit building, check out the next video on screen. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.